Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hack Shack. Today's going to be a quick one. Today we're just going to do a little upgrade shuffle with this small form factor Dell 7060. This is the 7060 I put together as a budget 1080p gaming and schoolwork machine for a local high school senior. You might remember it from my earlier video where we tested it with a low profile RX 6400. Well, a generous viewer who asked to stay anonymous offered me a straight swap. My RX 6400 for this Yeston RTX 3050 low profile card. And of course I said, heck yes. This Yeston card is kind of funny looking, but it's single slot, bus powered, and comes with a low profile bracket, perfect for these cramped Dell small form factor machines. First thing I did was swap this full height bracket for the small form factor one. Then it was just a bit of out with the old and in with the new. I buttoned things up, installed the driver, and started testing. I didn't rerun the full suite of tests that I did in the earlier video, but I did grab several of the same benchmarks so you can see them side by side, or rather up top and bottom. The RX 64 results will be on the top, the RTX 3050 will be on the bottom. Stickers might say this isn't apples to apples since this machine's been in daily use and isn't a pristine Windows 11 install anymore, but honestly it doesn't matter. It appears that the 3050 outpaces the 6400 across the board for the most part. Now here are the results from running Cinebench in the GPU mode, and I don't have a direct comparison to that for the previous card. I went back and looked at the footage I grabbed there, and I can only find where I did the multi-core and single-core CPU benchmarks with the previous setup. If you want to see some actual gameplay with the same exact system with a Yeston 3050, ETA Prime already has you covered. Go check this video out, it'll be linked in the description. So yeah, thanks to a generous trade, this Dell 7060 small form factor machine now has a quirky little RTX card inside. Still tiny, still no extra power, and a neat upgrade path for these corporate desktops where size is a big issue. You have to pay a premium for these little cards, but if your main priority is small size, they're a great option. Huge thanks again to the anonymous viewer who made this swap possible. Hey, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Hope to see you again next time. Take care. Bye-bye.